Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. Today in this lecture we will cover about trigonometric angles. In my previous lecture I told you about trigonometric ratios. What is the relation between sine theta, which is like perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta like cos A base by hypotenuse. So in this chapter or in this video I'll cover like what is the value of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45. I'll right now I'm making a table for this, and you should take it properly, take a note of this properly, because this is very important from exam point of view also. So here is the value of angle A changes. I'm drawing a table. Please note this table on your notepads very clearly so that you can remember these values by your heart. Okay, this is very important from exam point of view, that you should remember all the values of all the trigonometric functions. Here is sine A. Here I'll write cos of A, tangent of A, cotangent of A, secant of A, and this is last is cosecant of A. These are the 6 trigonometric functions I am writing here. So the value of sine A corresponding 0 degree is the value which is sine attains at sine 0. Means this is the value is, if I am writing 0 here, means the value of sine 0 degree is 0. So I hope you guys are clear now what is the relation between this and this. If I am writing sine A against sine 30, so it means the value of A here is 30, so it is the value of sine 30, which is half. Okay, and sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. So guys, please do remember that the value keeps on increasing from 0 to 90 for sine. Okay, do remember that sine 0 is 0. Sine of 30 degree is half. Sine of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine of 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. So now I am writing the value of cos of A. To remember to write the table in your books easily, I'll just inverse all the values of cos what I have written. So what cos 0 will be 1, which I have written in 90, and cos 30 degree will be root 3 by 2. This will remain same for sine 45 or cos 45. Cos 60 will be half. So this value comes here, this value goes here, this value goes here, this comes here, this comes here, and here comes the 0. So as you can see here is the relation between sine and cos is against, means the value of sine, where the value of sine 90, the value of cos 0 is same, where the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and the same value is for cos 30. The value keeps on decreasing here for cos function. Let me write the value of tan theta. Here it is, tan is basically sine divided by cos, which I told you in my previous lecture also, sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. You can divide all these terms if you want to find out. This will comes out to be 1 by root 3, sorry, and this is infinite or not defined. This is not defined. This will 1 by 0 you cannot define, but will be the value of 1 by 0. So now I am writing the value of cotangent of A. So you can now, as you did in cosine of A, you can copy it. Here is 1 by 0 or not defined. This will root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and this is 0. So guys, you have to remember all the values. If I ask you directly that what is tan 45, so you should remember this by heart, that tan 45 is 1. If I ask you sine 60, you will promptly say sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, now I am writing the value of secant a. Secant is opposite of 1 by cos. So inverse the value of 1 by cos is this. 1 by 1 is 1. This is 2 by root 3. This is root 2. This is 2. And 1 by 0 is again not defined, or infinity. Okay, now I am writing the value of cosecant. Now you can copy paste here, is not defined, 2 root 2 root 3 by 2 by root 3. Okay, and 1. These are all the values of trigonometric functions. So somebody might ask you what is the value of sine 30. So you should clearly see that from the table sine 30 is half. And if I ask you what is value of cosecant 60, so you can see from the table that it is 2 by root 3. So guys, please do remember this table. This is very important from exam point of view, that you should remember all the values of every trigonometric functions. If you remember the value of sine a and cos a, then you can also derive the value of all the trigonometric functions, because how tan is related to sine or cos a. Tan a is equals to sine a by cos of a. And how you can find out cosecant a? It is opposite of 1 by sine a. If somebody asks you secant a, then it is opposite of cosine a. If somebody asks you cotangent of a, cotangent a means cot a, this is 1 by tan a. So you can derive all the values if you know the values of sine a and cos a at 0 degree, 35 degree, 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree, and 90 degree. Let me give you 2-3 example how the question come on this. So here is the question, guys. We have to find the value of 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, so from the table you can see that the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. You should remember this by your heart. So 1 by root 3, okay, square. So this is, in the numerator we get 2 by root 3 upon, and in the denominator we get 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 upon 4 by 3 by taking the, so 2 by root 3 into 3 above and 4 below. This is root 3 and this is 2. The answer comes out to be root 3 by 2. So you will get these type of question in the exam where you have to find out the value of 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30, or some sort of another question. Let me give you 2-3 examples more. So students, here is one more example in which we are given that the sine of angle A minus B is half, and cos of angle A plus B is also half, and we have to find out the values of A and B. Okay, so if you see from the table that half value comes at sine of A minus B is equal to half of sine is sine 30 is half. So I can write that here after comparing this with this. So A minus B comes out to be 30 degree, and similarly for cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is half, and half value of cos comes at cos 60 degree. So okay, A plus B is equals to 60 degree, and we are getting two equations in terms of A and B. Add equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, A minus B equal 30, A plus B equal 60. So adding both these, we are getting that 2 equal 90, A equal 45. Okay, I hope students you are clear up to now. I'll put the value of A now in another equation, which is A minus B equal 30 degree. So 45 minus B equal 30. So value of B comes out to be 15 degree. So student, this was a very typical example question which can come in exam. So if you have still any doubt, please do comment in the comment section regarding this. I'll be happy to solve there. Thank you, students.